Hey there! If you're ready to dive into the world of hosting and affiliate marketing, stick around. Today, I'm breaking down Cloudways, your go-to for fast, easy, and affordable cloud hosting. So, what makes Cloudways perfect for beginners? Simple. It's a managed cloud hosting platform that takes the technical headaches out of your hands. Think of it as your personal IT team. With providers like DigitalOcean, AWS, and Google Cloud backing you up, you get the power without the fuss. You'll love the super fast loading times, built-in security, and automatic backups. Plus, with one-click app installs, starting a WordPress blog or an online store is a breeze. And guess what? A 3-day free trial with no credit card needed. Now on to the money talk, Cloudways affiliate program. Imagine earning up to $125 per referral, with options for performance-based or hybrid commissions. It's like getting paid to share something you love. Ready to start? Hit the link to create your free Cloudways account and begin your journey in hosting and affiliate marketing today. Happy hosting!